Minty is going to have to get that luggage full of my stuff. Shimmer is going to fly her all the way up to where the 2 snow globes are right there. And then Angel is going to come in, just fly up to the luggage. She's going to get it. And then we don't know what's going to happen then. I'm going to be documenting this. This is a film by Goldie Stewart. Let's do this! Are you ready? Yeah, I guess. Are you nervous? So, my sister Cookie is documenting this right now. Hi. So, are you excited? No. Why are you doing this? You made me do this. You're not supposed to say that in the camera. Just have Shimmer lift me up. Alright, Shimmer! You're on. Move out of the way, Cookie. What? Yeah, okay. Whew. Alright. Wait. Let me get... Whoa, okay. This is... Oof. Okay. Ah! You okay? Not really. I'm just gonna hide behind here until an angel comes up here. I'm so scared. Help me, somebody help me. Alright, if only I could get the expression on her face. Ooh, Angel, can you take this camera and get the expression on her face? Sure, okay. Look at my wing. Whoa, okay, that was close. Goldie wanted me to get the expression on your face. Just look at it. Alright, okay, get on my back. Alright. Okay, can you just hold the camera? Hold the camera. Okay, I'm trying to. OMG, this is dangerous. Alright. Thank you for my camera. Alright. I got the bag! It's luggage. I got the luggage! Here, this is yours. Alright, let's see what's in here. You don't even know what's... Sweet. I got a laptop. A DVD player. Sweet. I got a book of exclusive songs. Miley Cyrus. Miley Songbook Suite. Got a camera. I got a movie for my movie player. I got a CD. Sweet. Got another CD. I got a pink Blackberry Storm. Sweet. What is this? Eh. I also got the cool luggage. It's from Jamaica. Alright. This is it for the Daring Stunts of Minty, directed by Goldie Stewart.